Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your voicemail not working on your iPhone? Whether you are missing important messages or can't set it up, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through quick and easy steps to troubleshoot voicemail issues so you can get back to staying connected. Step 1 is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart is all you need. Hold down the power button and slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Now, check if your voicemail is working. Step 2 is to check your voicemail setup. Make sure voicemail is properly set up on your device. Open the phone app and tap on voicemail at the bottom right. If prompted, set up your voicemail by creating a password and recording a greeting. Step 3 is to check your cellular connection. Voicemail relies on a strong cellular connection. Ensure you are not in airplane mode by swiping down and checking your control center. If your signal is weak, try moving to an area with better coverage. The fourth step is to update your carrier setting. Outdated carrier setting can cause voicemail problems. You head over to settings, then you navigate your way to general and click on about. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to update your carrier settings. Step 5 is to reset your voicemail password. If you can't access voicemail, resetting the password may help. Go to the setting app and navigate to phone. Then you go to change voicemail password. Enter a new password and try again. Step 6 is to call your carrier. Voicemail issue can sometimes stem from your service provider. Call your carrier support line and ensure voicemail is active on your plan. They may need to reset it on their end. The next step is to update your iOS. Finally, check for iOS updates. Go to settings, then general, then go to software update and install any available updates. Updates often fix bugs that may affect voicemail. And that's it guys. With these steps, your voicemail should be back in action. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.